Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad. This is Firefighter's Financial Toolbox, where you can get information on investing, retirement, and overall financial well-being. Today we're going to talk about Tesla again. After being snubbed in September for joining the S&P 500, the powers that be in the S&P 500 have decided to allow Tesla to become part of it. And that's going to take effect on December 21st. They have not said what company is going to be replaced by Tesla, but that it has included them in the index after 5 consecutive quarters of net profit. What's going to happen when that comes out? Last time when they thought they were going to be included, the share price went up. This time when it was announced after the stock market officially closed, the stock rose over 10%, you guys. It surged on the knowledge. It says here, shares of Tesla jumped more than 10% in after-hours session on the news that the electric car maker is set to join the S&P 500. On Monday evening, the S&P Dow Jones Indices announced that Tesla will be added to the closely followed stock index on Monday, December 21st, before the market opens to coincide with the December quarterly rebalance. Looking at this chart, you can see that it closed at 408 and after hours jumped up to 460. Now we took a look at this morning and you can see it opened at 460.17. Now it has subsequently dropped down a little bit and is currently trading at around 447, 448. But overnight my shares increased by $40 per share. Pretty incredible. What does this mean for the longevity of Tesla? Does this mean what do you guys think? Is this going to make the prices surge and keep growing, or is this going to level it off? Remember, by adding them to the index, there's a lot of index funds and ETFs out there that are going to have to rebalance and add a lot of shares of Tesla. And that's going to be interesting. They've actually talked about whether or not they want to include Tesla all in one push, or whether or not they want to add it over 2 different, a little bit here and a little bit more later on, because it is such a big company. Remember, if we're talking about market capitalization, Tesla technically is the largest company, auto manufacturing company on planet Earth. Now, obviously it doesn't make as many cars as a Toyota or a Volkswagen, but because of the surge in the share price, the market capitalization is huge. We're looking at about $386 billion company. I can say personally as a shareholder, I'm excited about it. For the people who don't have shares, if you're interested in investing into some shares of Tesla, but you don't have $446 to buy a share, you guys open an account at M1. M1, you can buy fractional shares. If you're interested, there's a link below in the description. If you guys fund your account, you'll get 10 free dollars. I do get a small amount as well that goes to benefit my channel. You do not have to use my link. I do recommend them as a great place for beginning investors to start. And it's a good way that you can buy small fractional shares, and it's a simple way to get invested. So, you guys, December 21st, big day. What do you think? Are shares going to surge? Are they going to plateau? Or are they going to go down with being included in the index? All those things do happen. I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm excited about it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Last thing, if you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor, drop me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, you know the deal. Hit the red button, ring the bell. You'll get notified every time I make a video. All right, we'll see ya. Thanks.